going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So today I just wanted to make a video about credit repair scams. Is it really a scam? A lot of people get confused and just assume that everybody out here is trying to scam you. I know I've talked about it. Other YouTubers have talked about it. Other credit repair companies have talked about it. But I just want to go over a few things. We're going to go over different types of softwares, different companies, and of course, promises and guarantees. Unfortunately, that stuff does exist. Now, most of your companies, even the bigger companies like Lexington Law and Ovation, are using Credit Repair Cloud. Now, most people will tell you that Credit Repair Cloud is the best software to do credit repair. I'm here to tell you, no, it is not. There's really nothing wrong with Credit Repair Cloud, or CRC, as some call it. The issue with any of these softwares is if you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to get your clients results, because the letters that are set up in these softwares are set up to get you minimal results. So in order to make any of these softwares work, you have to go in there and create your own letters. It is very time consuming if you know what you are doing. So just because a company is using Credit Repair Cloud does not mean that they are scamming you. There are people that use it that obviously are out to scam you. DisputeFox is another one. It's a good one. They're all good. It's all really one's opinion on which one they prefer to use, which one's more user friendly to the company. DisputeFox is one of my favorite ones, but the best one is going to be Client Dispute Manager. Again, if you're using any of these softwares and you are not creating your own letters, you're going to get minimal results at best. So, and the reason the companies use these three softwares, these are the top three softwares used in the industry, is because the prices start at $99.99 a month. So for $99.99 a month, and I think the most expensive one's like $599.99, but that's if you've got like 30,000 clients. The more clients you have, the more it costs you per month. But what that price gets you is unlimited letters. Meaning if you have 200 clients, you pay $100 a month to generate letters for all of those clients. I spend around $10,000 a month on software alone. Why do I spend that much when I could easily be spending this much? Because I'm about getting results for my clients. So I'm going to spend the extra money to get the best results for my clients. Now, that does not mean that everybody that signs up with me they're going to be done real quick. They're going to be super happy. You cannot please everybody. I don't care how good you are. People are going to complain. Don't take that the wrong way. It is what it is. But to me, it's worth spending the extra money to get the better results. Now, the companies I want to talk about, and they're not technically all companies, Lexington Law is probably the biggest credit repair company in the United States. Ovation is a pretty big one. But then obviously you're always going to have these YouTube gurus. And when I say YouTube gurus, these are the people that most of them are just doing credit sweeps. So be careful of that. But they really just study other YouTubers, and it's really not a good thing. It is what it is on that too. So the only time I study another YouTuber is if either a client of mine or a subscriber reaches out to me because they have questions about that company, and I will review that company thoroughly before I give them, my review of what I think of that company. I have people reach out to me who have used these people, as well as Ovation and Lexington Law. Now, going back to, is it really a scam? Lexington Law technically is not a scam. Ovation is technically not a scam. Now, what do I mean by that? These companies can get you results, all of them, even the gurus. But their system is just designed to take 12 to 24 months minimum. We want to be done before you hit anywhere close to the 12-month mark. Now, does that mean I can guarantee it? Of course not. Nobody can. And if anybody's telling you that, run. Just keep your money and don't spend it on nobody, because if they're going to promise you some crazy stuff, trust me, it's not worth it at the end of the day. Now, promises and guarantees, I didn't write guarantees, to watch out for with these companies are everything will be done in 90 days or less. There's a particular company I'm not going to name now. I've had over 50 people reach out to me about this company. Some of them have actually worked with them, and they were done within 45 to 90 days. And then the following month, everything went right back on the report. So they asked me, how does this happen? It's because the company you used is doing a credit sweep. They're just filing a fake identity theft report and getting these items removed, because they will remove them right away. They remove them super fast that way. The problem is they do still do the investigation, and once they do the investigation, then they put it right back on your report because you're not actually a victim of identity theft. Money back guarantee. Never go by somebody's word on a YouTube video or even on their website. If it is not in a contract, don't go by what they tell you. Remember, we offer a 180-day money-back guarantee. If nothing is removed in 180 days, you get a full refund minus the processing fee, which is not up here now. That was on the last video. But read these contracts and agreements before you sign anything, because again, these companies will tell you what you want to hear to get you to sign up. They also try to sell you on why they are the best. I feel like I am one of the best, but it's kind of like I'll use basketball. Everybody's always debating who's the greatest of all time. Is it Michael Jordan? Is it Kobe? Is it LeBron? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. And in this industry, you're fighting the bureaus, you're fighting the creditors, and no matter what anybody tells you, you can't guarantee anything. But if you don't have it in writing on the money back guarantee, or if they're just trying to sell you on a money back guarantee, just be careful. The FTC does not like promises and guarantees unless you offer a money back guarantee in your contract or agreement. This is huge because, again, I can even do it. We can all tell you what you want to hear to get you to sign up, but I don't believe in that. I believe in telling you exactly what you are paying for. And what you are actually paying for with any of these companies is for their services. There's no way to promise and guarantee that they're going to clean your credit report up. There's just absolutely no way to do that. But it's easy to sell someone that doesn't know the process on these fake promises and guarantees. So I just wanted to make this video for y'all. Sorry my handwriting's so sloppy. Obviously you can tell I didn't write this stuff. But hopefully y'all can read that. If y'all have any questions or want to set up a consultation, I'll leave that information in the description of the video. My website's right here, everythingcreditllc.com. Excuse me. My phone number is 229-380-7837. Email address is everythingcredit@icloud.com. And of course, I am the owner, David Payne, also known as David Pickles Payne. I will be going live tonight, probably either 8 or 8:15. That's all I got for now. I hope y'all have a great day.